pictures of everybody.
The 90% of people who are struggling paycheck to paycheck, that we are going to have their backs. Is that right?
Human rights! Human rights! Human rights!
Do you think that these guys even know what the price of eggs are? Or what diapers cost? So how in the hell are they going to reduce prices for average Americans across this country? What makes me so proud is that you are here. That you are here ready to stand up, to speak out, and to fight back. Is that right, Seattle? Across this country should be able to stand up and say due process is a fundamental right for everyone, regardless of race, color, citizenship status, or any other factor.
Get a flag on Capitol Hill! Start deporting immigrant families and spreading their xenophobic rhetoric, what do you say? Not on our watch! When MAGA extremists villainize our beautiful trans community, what do you say? Not on our watch! When Republicans try to strip women of our ability to make decisions about our own bodies, what do you say? Not on our watch! Because that is the way that we honor and learn the lessons of Dr. Martin Luther King on his birthday. You know, the night before Dr. King was tragically arrested, he was fighting for sanitation workers to be able to have respect and higher wages. And he walked through the rain to a group of sanitation workers that were gathered in a church getting ready to plan a big march. And he delivered his last speech, and he said, "The world is all messed up. Trouble is in the land, confusion all around. But I know somehow that it is only when it is dark enough that you can see the stars." That you can see the stars. And I know that these are dark times. Believe me, I feel it too. But we are here because we know that we will find the stars. We are here because we know that courage is not acting when you don't have fears. It is acting despite your fear. That's what true courage is. And we are here because we're ready to create our own hope and demand real justice across the country. So as a lifelong organizer myself, as someone who's been in the streets with many of you getting arrested for nonviolent civil disobedience, standing up for justice, as well as someone who's been in the halls of power negotiating for a better future for all of us, I am here to tell you that strength comes in times of crisis. That is when we access that deep strength within us and we say, we are standing up, we are speaking out, and we are going to demand justice together. Are you ready to do that? Are you ready to march, Seattle People's March? Let's get going. Let's show them what it looks like to stand up, to fight back,